Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Alexander here, and in this video I'm gonna share with you how you can give access to your marketing assets to an advertising agency. Or if you're an advertising agency, I'm gonna show you how you can get access to the marketing assets of your clients. So let's get right into it. The first step to give access to your marketing assets is gonna be by giving partner access to your business manager. So let me just move this one here. So in order to give partner access to a marketing agency, you're gonna go to partners and you're gonna click here, partners to share assets with. You're gonna click add and you're gonna see that you need your partner business ID. Where this business ID can be found is business settings, then you're gonna go to business info and you can see this number right here, business manager ID. And you're gonna require this number from the marketing agency. Probably if the marketing agency has done ads before, they're gonna know that they need to send you this number right here. So by going to partners, you're gonna click add and you're gonna add the number right here. Click next, and then there's gonna appear a tab where it's gonna say where it's gonna all your marketing assets. So it's gonna be your Facebook page, your catalog, if you have one, your pixel, and then you just need to click on all of the assets and give access to them. Never add marketing agencies as an admin because you give them quite a lot of permission, so they can remove you from the business manager, but rather always give them partner access to your assets. But on the other hand, if you're a marketing agency, you can come on this page. If the client doesn't know how to give you access, you're gonna come to this page and you're gonna request assets from. The same way, you're gonna click add, you're gonna request the business manager ID, and you're gonna place here contact name, contact email address, etc. And you're just gonna add what role would you like and partner role. The same thing when you add businesses as partners, you're gonna go to pages, you're gonna give them access to your Facebook page. Again, not an admin access, not full control, but then when you go to add accounts, you can add, let's say for example, add people, and you're gonna see the name of the person is gonna appear here. Just click on it, and with the other account, give him full access so they can create. You can see control other account settings, finance, permission, create and edit ads, access reports, and view ads. So for the other account, they need full access, but for everything else, you can give them limited access. The same thing, you go to catalogs. Here, as you can see, it's a test account, so I don't have a catalog setup or a pixel. So basically, you're gonna have the same setup like the other account. You're gonna have a listing here, and you're gonna see your catalog pixel. Again, add people. Click on the name. If the name doesn't appear here, they need to add it on their end, and you can click also assign partners. Again, business ID, add the business ID here, and manage other account. But then with the pixel, don't give them full access. Catalog, don't give them full access. And if by any chance you give access to the marketing agency, but they cannot see it on their end, what else you can do is you can see here again assign partners, but instead of assign partner by business ID, you can click assign partner by get link to share. Click on it, tick all the necessary ones, copy the link, and that's it. And that's basically it for this video. Again, don't add agencies as a marketing as an admin to your business manager because you give them too much access. And yep, that's basically it. Very short video, but I'm trying to give you as much value as possible in the shortest period of time. So yep, thank you very much for your time. If you enjoyed the video and found any value, like and subscribe. It really helps me out in the YouTube algorithm. But yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.